Welcome to the BiomeSense at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. BiomeSense takes a unique approach to DNA testing by focusing on the microbiome, the collection of bacteria and other microorganisms that live in your body. This test kit is designed for individuals looking to better understand how their gut health influences their overall well-being and provides actionable insights to improve digestion, immunity, and more. The BiomeSense kit is straightforward to use. Upon ordering, you'll receive a neatly packaged kit with clear instructions for collecting a stool sample. While this might sound daunting, the process is hygienic, simple, and takes only a few minutes. Once the sample is prepared, you mail it to the lab in a prepaid package. Results are typically available within 2 to 3 weeks. What sets BiomeSense apart is its focus on gut health and its impact on overall wellness. The test analyzes the composition of your gut microbiome, identifying beneficial and harmful bacteria. It provides insights into how your microbiome may influence digestion, metabolism, mental health, skin condition, and even energy levels. The detailed report offers personalized recommendations for dietary adjustments, probiotics, and lifestyle changes to enhance gut health. The report format is highly user-friendly, breaking down complex scientific data into clear, actionable steps. For example, it might suggest increasing fiber intake, avoiding specific foods, or incorporating certain strains of probiotics based on your results. Unlike general wellness tests, BiomeSense delivers a targeted approach to improving gut health, backed by robust research on the microbiome. This kit is ideal for individuals experiencing digestive issues, low energy, or those who want to optimize their health by starting with the gut. It's also perfect for those curious about the connection between their microbiome and various health outcomes, including immunity and mental well-being. In summary, BiomeSense provides an accessible, science-backed way to understand and improve your gut health. With its focus on actionable recommendations and easy-to-read results, it's a great choice for anyone prioritizing wellness from the inside out. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of your microbiome, check the links in the description to order your BiomeSense kit today.